as an adult, if you say that you have not seen an adult movie, I would say you're lying to yourself, because this video I'm about to show you now, I'll have to be honest. On another episode of We Listen, We Don't Judge, I'm your girl Bella on BVI Channel 1 Plus. A lady expresses her regret over joining the adult film industry. You know, she said that she is tired, that she did not get anyway. I will not have to, I don't have to say it for you. Listen to her and hear what she says.
Honest with you. Okay, let me be honest with you. I am regretting my decision right now. I regret why I joined the industry. I regret it so bad. I swear to God, I'm regretting it. This is my honest opinion. Like, this is the honest me. I'm regretting it. Why did I join the industry? I mean, what do I even have to show for it? Nothing. Nothing aside the countless video of me online that will be online forever. I have nothing else to show for my stupidity. And it's not too late, you know, those of you that are in my DMs, those of you that are sending me emails that you're interested in joining the industry, it is not too late for you to change your mind. It is not too late for you to have a change of heart. There is nothing, you can never get anything good from it. I am regretting. Like, there's no way I'm going to explain myself to you. You would not understand. Me that is in the industry, I understand better. I am regretting. There's nothing to show for it. It's just a waste of sin. And now, I have a lot of explanation to do to my children. There's no excuse of, oh, I did not do what my mates were doing, that's why I did not make money. Now, I even did worse than my mates are doing, and I still do not have money. Learn from this video. I don't have much to say.
You know why I'm saying this thing? After listening to what this lady is saying, you see that there are some choices that you make. There are some decisions that you make as a person that cost you a lot, especially when it comes to a lady. You know, we've seen people that are only fans. We see people that joined the adult movie industry that come out their mind and say, this is what I want to do with my life. After they are not 25, they are not even, like, they are older people that they sometimes you be like, is this what this person chose? Is it the path that they choose? You know, because as an African person, how are you going to make such expensive decision for yourself in your young age, and you come and start saying that you regret? It's fine that people do things and start regretting, you know, like, you know, some people that buy person and start saying they regret it. Where the person where you buy don't buy, you can't tell us say they regret. You know, this girl is now coming to say that she regrets her choices. This is a very good lesson for my young people, because a lot of things, a lot of mistakes in your 20s, in your 20s you are supposed to build, because if we learn from people experiences, we learn from people mistakes. You don't need to be an adult star for 2 years in your 20s and start coming out and say I regret it, because nobody is going to take down those videos. You see these regrets, this lady that is regretting this thing is fine and good. We don't come for you, we are not judging you. That's why I said prior to this video, we listen, we don't judge. We are not judging you because you did it, but there are mistakes that you make. There are choices, there are decisions that you make in your life that will cost you so much. Imagine somebody that has been a porn star for how many years, and while in the porn star you contacted HIV, and you now say you regret. Of course, there are some things, there are some choices and decisions you make. They are very, very expensive as a woman where you be, especially when it comes to your there's some things you do, it will haunt your life. Who are you going to pay to take down those videos? Men that will start going to look for, even now that I'm doing this thing, people go to search this girl, let them even watch one of our movies, and you start telling us you regret it after doing what? After they pay. Because if this person now that is saying that she regrets it, if you get Lamborghini now, if you say you get G-Wagon, money they flow like this, do you think that this person will regret? Anyway, that's my own take. However you feel, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I just decided to bring this one because, just like I said, we listen, we don't judge. Do you think, say, this person really regrets doing this thing? Leave your comments on the comment section. Peace out.